Hi Devishish.
Hi, Ramya.
Thanks for attending PMP training at Armadillo Consultants.
Thanks a lot.
So what's your overall experience with this training?
See, it's very tough to describe my experience in words. In fact, the first step for selecting a perfect training institute, I have done a little bit of research, but I can gladly say I have chosen the best one. The theories and overall things which looked very tough for me after this 4 days training, I think I was unnecessarily scared about those things. So it's kindly gave me a different direction to understand the PM book and the overall theories in details.
And how is your experience with the trainer?
Yeah, it was very nice and very example, especially the way he has described all the situation with the day-to-day life experience and which helped me personally to relate the situation with my current scenario. So that helped me even better to understand the overall theories.
Okay, you're from which industry?
I'm basically from gaming industry.
Oh, great.
So that sometimes relate to the software development industry.
Did you get all the examples from the trainer in this industry perspective in PMP?
Yeah, kind of, yes. Because our industry is, we can say, the overall process pipeline is similar to software development company, except in software development company where the art factor is not there. But in other things, we are developing a software.
So, in exams perspective, how did the trainer help you?
Initially, before coming, I have gone through the PM book little bit. So I was very scared about the theories, how to get hold of all those theories. It has 50 plus theories and their derivatives. But after the training, it's been made so clear. I don't have to go and mug up that numerical values and all. It is set and clear in my mind now. I don't have any fear about the theories.
So what are your suggestions for the PMP aspirants?
Aspirants, I would say, don't fear of anything, but just take your decision correctly. Choose a right trainer who could give you not the bookish knowledge, rather the practical theories and help you understand it better. And just put your hard work 100%, things will be there.
And the concepts which you have learned, so what kind of concepts will you apply in your job after you go from here?
I think I have learned a lot of things which can be applied in various aspects of the job. So I think it's very hard for me to pinpoint a single theory in this thing. In the overall experience, and it helped me understand and it will help me manage my team further in an effective way.
Great. And when you are planning to take up the exam?
I think I will be taking the exam in probably within a month or so. Or I have 2 weeks of self-study I have kept in between, and after that I will go to the mock test and exam followed by.
Yeah, all the best for your exam.
Thank you, Ramya.